Liver damage is a serious issue, yet it's one that can often be managed or reversed if detected early. Your liver, one of the most vital organs in your body, has the incredible ability to regenerate itself. However, certain lifestyle choices and environmental factors can hinder this process, leading to chronic conditions that may spiral into severe health issues. In this video, we'll explore 12 unusual signs of liver damage, why they occur, and how you can take action to reverse these problems before they worsen. The liver is responsible for over 500 functions in the human body, from detoxifying harmful substances to producing bile for digestion. However, modern diets, stress, and pollution have placed immense strain on this critical organ. Contrary to popular belief, liver damage isn't just caused by excessive alcohol consumption. It can also result from consuming too much processed or sugary food, frequent use of painkillers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, exposure to toxins such as pesticides and industrial chemicals, and viral infections like hepatitis. Recognizing the early signs of liver damage is key to preventing long-term complications. Your stool's color can reveal a lot about your liver health. Typically, bile acids give stool its characteristic brown color. When your liver is damaged or bile flow is blocked, your stool may turn pale or clay-colored. This is a common symptom in conditions like fatty liver disease or bile duct obstruction. Additionally, you might notice your stool floating, which indicates the presence of undigested fats. If this happens consistently, it's crucial to seek medical advice, as it could signify impaired fat digestion due to liver dysfunction. Dark-colored urine, often resembling cola or dark amber, is another warning sign. This discoloration occurs when excess bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown, builds up in the blood and gets excreted through urine. This condition can result from hepatitis, gallstones, or other liver-related issues. Certain medications such as antibiotics or birth control pills may also exacerbate this symptom by placing additional stress on your liver. Persistent dark urine should never be ignored. Cracked or dry heels are often overlooked as a cosmetic problem. However, they can be a subtle indicator of liver dysfunction. Your body requires vitamin B3, also known as niacin, to maintain healthy, moisturized skin. When your liver is under stress, it diverts this nutrient toward repairing itself, leaving your skin vulnerable to dryness and cracking. Eating B3-rich foods such as poultry, fish, and eggs can help address this issue while supporting liver health. Jaundice, characterized by yellowing of the skin and eyes, is one of the most well-known symptoms of liver damage. It occurs when the liver cannot process bilirubin effectively, causing it to accumulate in the bloodstream. This condition is often a sign of advanced liver disease, including hepatitis or cirrhosis, and warrants immediate medical attention. Certain medications and toxins can also contribute to jaundice. Chronic itching, particularly on the palms of your hands or soles of your feet, is another unusual symptom of liver damage. This occurs due to a buildup of bile acids under the skin when the liver fails to filter them out properly. Bile acid accumulation triggers the release of histamines, causing intense itching that can severely impact your quality of life. Addressing the underlying liver issue is the key to alleviating this discomfort. Spider veins, which appear as small red dots with radiating blood vessels, are a common sign of liver damage. High levels of estrogen, often linked to liver dysfunction, can weaken blood vessel walls, making them more visible on the skin surface. Spider veins are frequently observed in people with cirrhosis or other chronic liver conditions and serve as a visual indicator of impaired liver health. Fluid retention in the legs or feet, especially on the right side, can point to liver issues. This symptom occurs when blood flow through the liver is disrupted, causing pressure to build up in the portal vein. The excess fluid leaks into surrounding tissues, leading to swelling that leaves an indentation when pressed. If your right foot or ankle appears more swollen than usual, it's time to consider liver health as a potential cause. Changes in nail color or shape can also reflect liver health. If your fingernails turn completely white or take on a rounded, bulbous appearance, known as clubbing, it may indicate severe liver damage or a related condition. White nails were first linked to liver disease in the 1950s. With studies showing that up to 80% of people with advanced liver scarring exhibit this symptom. These changes result from reduced oxygen levels in the blood, often caused by poor liver function. Easy bruising and the appearance of purple or red spots on the skin can occur when the liver is unable to produce enough proteins for normal blood clotting. These marks, often found on the arms or lower legs, signal poor blood circulation and may be linked to conditions like diabetes or liver disease. If you notice these spots alongside other symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider for further evaluation. Persistent fatigue is one of the most common but often ignored signs of liver damage. A sluggish liver struggles to process toxins and maintain energy levels, leaving you feeling drained and lethargic. This type of fatigue is not resolved with rest and may be accompanied by brain fog or difficulty concentrating. Improving liver function through diet and lifestyle changes can help restore your energy levels. Struggling to see in low light or at night could point to a vitamin A deficiency caused by liver dysfunction. Since bile is essential for absorbing vitamin A, any impairment in bile production can affect your vision. Night blindness, dry eyes, and other vision problems often accompany liver-related conditions and should be addressed promptly to prevent further complications. Feeling a sense of pressure or discomfort on the right side of your abdomen, just below the rib cage, could signal liver or gallbladder issues. This sensation often worsens after eating and is linked to the accumulation of thickened bile, which clogs bile ducts and disrupts digestion. Right-sided discomfort may also radiate to the right shoulder, indicating that your liver and gallbladder need attention. So far, we've explored 12 strange signs of liver damage and how they manifest in the body. It's crucial to remember that your liver has the ability to regenerate itself, but only if you take the right steps. In this section, we'll focus on the most effective ways to halt liver damage and even reverse it, giving your liver the help it needs to heal. Liver damage typically progresses through 4 main stages. First, fat begins to accumulate, followed by inflammation. This can lead to fibrosis, the formation of scar tissue, and ultimately to a more serious condition known as cirrhosis. Fortunately, with the right actions, the liver can repair itself and return to optimal health. Here are the most effective steps to reverse liver damage. 1. Clean up your diet. The first step in healing your liver is cleaning up your diet. Cut back on sugary, starchy, and processed foods such as bread, cookies, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, and sodas. Fatty or damaged livers are particularly sensitive to fructose, the sugar found in fruit, in the same way they are to alcohol. For this reason, it's essential to eliminate fruit juices and alcohol entirely. 2. Load up on bitter, sulfur-rich foods. Eating sulfur-rich bitter foods can significantly improve liver health. These foods include leafy greens like arugula and spinach, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught salmon, and other oily fish. Sulfur helps detoxify the liver and reduce fat buildup by boosting levels of glutathione, the body's most potent antioxidant. Incorporating these foods into your meals helps your liver flush out toxins while breaking down and removing harmful fats. 3. Start your day with coffee and turmeric. A morning ritual of organic coffee combined with turmeric can work wonders for your liver. Brew a cup of coffee and mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. The polyphenols in coffee, along with the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, help reduce scar tissue formation and repair damage caused by alcohol, medications, or fructose. Additionally, staying hydrated is key. Drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water throughout the day to help thin your blood and aid bile production. Adding freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice can further enhance your liver's detoxifying ability. 4. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is another powerful tool for reversing liver damage. By eating all your daily calories within a 6-hour window, you give your body an 18-hour fasting period to rest, repair, and detoxify. For instance, you could eat between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m., though the timing can be adjusted to suit your schedule. Fasting reduces liver inflammation and promotes autophagy, a process where your body recycles damaged cells, including liver cells, and replaces them with healthier ones. It also helps regulate insulin-like growth factor, a hormone that prevents fat from accumulating in the liver. 5. Eliminate inflammatory seed oils. Seed oils such as corn oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, soybean oil, and other processed oils can exacerbate liver inflammation and damage. Replace these harmful oils with healthier fats like extra virgin olive oil and virgin coconut oil. Both of these are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect and repair liver tissue. 6. Use purified bile salts. To clean out fatty deposits and reduce liver inflammation, consider taking a purified bile salt supplement in the morning on an empty stomach. Supplements like TUDCA, taurosodioxycholic acid, or digestive enzyme blends containing ox bile can help break down fat and prevent gallbladder stones. These supplements work by enhancing bile production and improving fat digestion, which in turn supports liver health. 7. Add liver-cleansing herbs and spices. Incorporating liver-friendly herbs and spices into your diet can enhance its natural detoxification processes. Some of the most effective options include ginger reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a compound that protects liver cells and promotes regeneration. Dandelion root stimulates bile production and detoxification. Green tea rich in antioxidants that reduce liver fat. Cinnamon and cloves help regulate blood sugar and reduce liver stress. Repairing your liver isn't just about reversing current damage. It's about preventing further complications like cirrhosis, liver cancer, and metabolic issues. With consistent effort, your liver can fully heal, but it requires commitment to lifestyle changes, a nutrient-rich diet, and avoiding substances that contribute to damage. By following these steps, you can dramatically improve your liver health and overall well-being. If you'd like to dive deeper into specific vitamins and supplements for liver repair, check out the video linked on the screen now. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information helps you take control of your liver health. Be sure to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these tips. Together, we can spread awareness about liver health and make informed choices for a healthier future. See you in the next video.